Kucelwe ukuthi abantu bamaqembu ezepolitiki babambane baye ukukhombana ngezandla ngoba isimo abakuso njengamanje sinzima kakhulu. Kuthiwa abangablame ama-political parties, abantu okumele bablame u-IEC and High Court. Noma ngathiwa kuneqembu likhipha izimali likhiphela u-IEC, okusalayo yiwo u-IEC okumele ublame. Ngokuthi uvumile ukukhokhela izimali bese kuba yi-High Court. Yona inecala lokuthi aphumile ama-proof ukuthi u-IEC awubanga fair, kodwa i-High Court ayenzanga lutho ngalokho. Ayibanga neqiniso.
Sanibona. Bafowethu, amavidweni soyibamba nge-common sense nangeqiniso. Common sense nangeqiniso. Anendaba ukuthi ucheme naliphi iqembu lezepolitiki. But into engifuna ukuyisho, njengamanje kwi-situation esikuyona, asingayiblame ANC, asingablame iqembu lezepolitiki including MK, asingakhombani ngeyithupha. If kukhona abantu to be blamed la, IEC is the one to be blamed. If kukhona abantu to be blamed la, High Court, i-High Court, ilabo bantu boyi-2 okumele beblame. For the fact ukuthi kungenzeka ukuthi kuneqembu thizeni elikhokhela u-IEC ukuze behave kanje, umuntu to be blamed u-IEC. Lelo qembu asingaliblame. Reason nalo belizamela. Khumbula baseyikhundleni abantu abafuna ukudilika. So nabo bebeyizamela. Ngama positions abakona abantu bondla imindeni yabo. Benza noma yini ukuthi befide imindeni yabo. Asingabablame. But u-IEC for ukuvuma ama bribe uma ukuthi abe khona uyena okumele ablame. I-High Court for ukuthi kuthiwe u-IEC awubanga fair kube khona ama-proof but i-High Court ingenzi lutho ngalokho, iblame yakubona. Mina bafethu ngesingami iblame yakulabantu boyi-2, not kuma-political parties. Ayiyinhlobo kuma-political parties noma ubani ubezama. Nikhumbuleke i-rule yasehlathini, i-jungle rule, ku-survivor of it. Ku-survivor of it kuyenzeka kwezinye izimo of it ehluleka ukusurvive afe nayo. Cela singawablame ama-political parties. Asingakwebhani sodwa. Thina asimele iqiniso ukuthi ama-elections were not free and fair. So if ungena kule video nithukana nodwa, nifuna ukulwa nodwa ngento eniyibonile bi-obvious bafethu. Ngento yabo njengamanje for ukuthi izwe lingenzeka liwele kubelungu noma liwela kubelungu. Iphathi iyodwa ilokhuza, not iphathi ilokhuza kumele iblenywe u-IEC for uku-accept ama-bribes uma ukuthi uwa-acceptile, for ukuthi uzibe amaphuthawo even abantu bene-evidence. Akukwazi singacomplain amaphathi awu-18 uthule phansi. Bafowethu inkinga nje la ayikho nhlobo. Ayikho nhlobo kuma-political parties enu. Musani ukwebhana nodwa, musani ukushifta ama-blame. Inkinga iku-IEC ngoba sibonile sonke ukuthi ama-elections were not free and fair. Ama-elections guys were not free and fair. Othi ama-elections were free and fair, unenkinga yakhe nje ekhanda. Akukwazi ukuthi ungathiwa ama-elections were not free and fair, kuproduce ama-video afakazela lokho, wena uqhubeke ukuthi elections were free and fair. If nje umuntu osho njalo guys, inkinga ikuwena ekhanda, unenkinga ye-common sense neqiniso empilweni yakho. Ama-elections were not free and fair, asingakwebhani sonke. Angiyona ilunga le-ANC, but angibablame. Angilona ilunga le-MK, but ne-IFP, but angibablame. Ingase kuthiwe abekho abantu abantshotshelwa amavoti, ngabe asikho la esikhona. Awukwazi uku-expect abantu ukuthi bentshotshelwa amavoti mase bezophinda benisave futhi. Okay. I-MK iclaima ukuthi intshontshelwa amavoti. Ama-video all over abantu bayawabona. Ubufakazi all over abantu bayabona. Ama-citizens ase-South Africa, just because awayivotelanga i-MK, abayisupport i-MK kuleyo case bahlulwa yini ukumela iqiniso but bazothi iMK ayiye eParliament iyo supporta la amanye amaqembu iyo supporta la ama member u44 eParliament izonisupporta kanjani iMK bafowethu ake sibeke kanje uyamlwela yini umuntu ohlule ukulwela because la we talking about iqiniso banamavidiyo labantu banobufakazi labantu banamavidiyo banobufakazi labantu which means sonke siyicountry siyabona ukuthi barojiwe into engicasula ngalento guys kugcina sekungazi ukuthi nami ngiyimember yeMK ngesizathu sokuthi ngifuna sikhuluma iqiniso lento lebafowethu it's more like kini kuyathakathwa but awufuni ukuvuma ukuthi kini kuyathakathwa ngoba ikini leyo nto leyo ngelinye ilanga iyolimaza nina enobe senisele sebeshonile labanye abathakathayo ngoba bafethu let's stand for iqiniso ama elections were not free and fair yekani ukuxabana nodwa if ukuthi khona abantu okumele beblenywe kule case sikuyona iHigh Court no IEC High Court no IEC kuphela not ama political party if ukuthi ANC ibribe uIEC angiyiblame iANC bebezama nabo ukugcina isinkwa seyingane zabo uma kuukuthi iDA ilokhuzile iDA angiyiblame abelungu nabo balwela isinkwa seyingane zabo angibablame inhlobo nabo neMK angiyiblame but iqinisa libe one ukuba IEC uhonesty kakhulu with abantu base South Africa ngaba sikho la esikhona njengamanje so asingakhombani asiunite thina simele iqiniso ukuthi uIEC ama elections akhe were not free and fair kuphela niye kukulwa bafethu asimele iqiniso uzothuka inhlamba kule video kukhona ama video akuprove lokho inkinga isekhanda lakho ayikho into esingayikhuluma inkinga isekhanda lakho and ngicela abafowethu abantu abazothuka inhlamba la abazonithuka based on lento engiyishilo ningaba entertain sometimes if level yokucabanga ingalingani kumele uunderstand being a bigger person akukulimazi ngalutho kumele uunderstand ukuthi hola ngidila nomuntu onomqondo omncane because ama proof akhona bafowethu ama evidence akhona bafowethu elections were not free and fair abathi elections were free and fair asazi bakuthathaphi asazi ukuthi bakuthathaphi sibindi sokuphikisa ama video because ngabe ngeze ukuba ama video bafethu awaphikiseki iliphu ayiphikiseki angazi ukuthi bakuthathaphi lokho